Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kemari Reaction. How you guys doing today? Hi. So I'm back again, guys, with another reaction video to the group RBD, and I believe this is a live tour in Del Adiós. So I'm curious to see how this is going to be. Hopefully I won't be blocked for this one. I did read a message with someone stating that most of the performances were blocked due to RBD performances being on live stream platform. So hopefully that's the case. They explained to me that the tour in Rio and Del Adiós won't be blocked too much. So let me try with that. So let's go. Ooh, my barber did such a good job on this haircut. Yeah. Okay. I love me a good instrument. How? What's that style of music? Arabic? Indian? Oh, Bollywood. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, giving us with a Michael Jackson in the back. Dun, 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 dun. So Paulo dance, dance. Oh, I love how they have the name revealed. So that's very nice. Oh, baby daddy. Look at Chris. Dance, dance. Oh, Chris, I live for this look. So Paulo. Come on, girl. Yeah. By the way, I watch her Pantene commercial, so I do know her from that. Dance, dance, dance. Chris. That was cute. So sorry. Flip phone. Oh my god. Okay, Dulce. I said over, the fans in Brazil, they be coming out. Brasilia. Dun 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 dun. Hey. I love how they look in this one. They look really good. Oh, two of my fave guitarists. Oh, I see the hair moving, so they have fans now. Damn, how much instrument is he playing?
Here's exactly how I passed all 4 of my CPA exams in 1 3-month period.
Oh, CPA.
Full time, studying and
certified. What is this? What is CPA again? Certified public accountant. They perform all the way through. Ooh, the energy and the calories being burnt. That's why when most people go on tours, they lose a lot of weight after the tour. I see the fans love them some T.O.F.T.S. Mesa. Oh, the females are taking lead in this one, the males are in the back. Vocally speaking. Oh, I like their voice together. I'm happy that they had Fan on the stage for this performance. Like the smoke screens, giving it a dramatic effect.
Obrigado por tanto amor, por estos 4 años de tanto corazón. Obrigados por esta generación.
Oh, so someone edited this video together to create a whole tour. Come on with the editing skills.
Gracias por ese corazón tan grande. ¡Arriba Sao Paulo!
Oh, it's Maite. Okay, that's how you pronounce her name, Maite.
Hoy es una noche muy especial. Gracias Sao Paulo por estar aquí. Gracias a cada uno de ustedes, porque yo sé que cada uno de ustedes tiene una historia y están aquí. Gracias. Y quiero que le den un fuerte aplauso también a Bicho.
Oh, his hair is sweating.
Y a Pedro.
Come on, live instruments.
Gracias, Sao Paulo. Los amo.
Is she from Brazil? Because I'm starting to see the fans. They really do love them some Dulce. Oh, and I said it over before, Brazil do support their fans. I mean, Brazil do come out and support. That's my Chris. I like this look on him.
Pues de verdad, estamos muy contentos de estar aquí nuevamente. Los queremos mucho. De verdad, gracias.
Don't ask me to I don't understand what, not one thing that they're talking about. Yes, and feel like I was there.
Todos fans de todo Brasil, Goiânia, Fortaleza, Vitória, São Paulo, Brasil. Eu quero dizer uma coisa, vocês, todos vocês, são nosso sonho que virou realidade.
Every day, I die over and over again.
Ooh.
I'm gonna stop this. Let's take this to the next level.
What is this? It's a movie in Hulu? Oh, I need to watch that. Boss Lab, I need to watch that. Every day, over and over I die. That remind me of a show. Oh, Supernatural. On that Wednesday. Hit to survive for that Wednesday or else you die over and over. Oh, they were throwing flowers and stuff on stage. Oh, that's the baby. Oh, I see someone with a pride flag. Oh, that was nice. At least this shows us before the band, you know, disbanded and went on a hiatus, they had a very good, successful run. They're taking no breaks, they're going straight in. Ooh, that's cute. Oh, this sounds so good together. The three alone could have their own girl group. Oh, there he go. Wow, she's gorgeous. Love that black hair. Come on, Halo Glow. Porque me vas. La 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 la. La 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 la. Imagine some LED lights, colors, while the whole chorus instrument part is being played. Oh my god, I could imagine the scene right now if they redo the song now with the whole group together. I think they should have had some LED lights in there. Oh my god, that would look so sick. Oh, that would look so sick. Yes, yes, yes.
So it's 10:30 on a Wednesday, and apparently I've sold close to $3,000 in sales on Amazon already.
That is good for you, sir.
I'll show you.
I don't believe you. Dude, sad, dude, sad. So they were able to take the HD version and version off of someone's camera and edit together flawlessly. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm here to see them perform. Así ya.
Mucho yo intenté por levantar la voz, por despertar el interés vacío que te haga mío, baby.
First of all, I really do like their playlist. It's like each song transition flows well together. And their fans is also able to follow along too, because they know everything, all these songs word for word. Is that a Fiat on his shirt?
Otro día que me convencí de hablar, te vi pasar con otra muy contento. No era el momento, baby. ¿Cómo sucedió que estoy loca, tan enamorada? Pero un sueño siempre hace estar como una luz que me ilumina y al despertar quiero volverlo a intentar. Yo sé que el corazón late más fuerte, más que un motor, aunque no sabes nada de mí. Nunca traté de alcanzar amor. Verte pasar sin hablar es un cruel sufrimiento que desaparece de pronto cuando te pienso. Ando a mi lado colgado sin sentimiento. No importa los días que pasen, como era en el intento. Volverlo a intentar.
Yes.
Pero tú en mis sueños siempre has de estar como una luz que me
Look at all that people. They're so into it.
quiero volverlo a intentar. Yo sé que el corazón late más fuerte, más que un motor, aunque no sabes nada de mí. Nunca traté de alcanzar amor.
Pero tú en sueños siempre has de estar como una luz que me ilumina y al despertar quiero volverlo a intentar. Yo
Sé que el corazón late más fuerte, más que un motor, aunque no sabes nada de mí. Nunca traté de alcanzar
No. Down, down.
Pues los silencios
Come on, Alfonso.
se han vuelto eternos.
Hoy que te vas, porque no aguantaría vivir sin tus brazos ni un solo día más. Me perdería sin tu abrazo en esta soledad. Ya no soporto continuar, me cuesta el aceptar que tu recuerdo y tu mirada ya no regresarán.
Como dice Pocho.
I see someone waving.
Hoy que te vas,
Porque no
There's a lot of guys in the front. Wow.
vivir sin tus labios ni un solo día más. Me perdería sin tu abrazo en esta soledad.
I'm laughing at how Chris looked because that's exactly how we looked in college. When we drink at night before we have a hangover, they walk into class just like that. Tank top, white shirt, color pants, the shoes to match the shirt, and their shades on. Ah, college. Come on, Ann girl. I'm a two guitarists. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 Ah, that was so good. So I will end it here for part 1 because this is like an hour and 52 minutes and 40 seconds. So I want to say that's the RBD tour in Del Adiós. This is part 1 to it, so I really do appreciate it. So give me a patience, guys. I'm trying to get these videos out as soon as possible. But this was great. They never disappointed. They have a lot of energy. Because they play no rush game. They don't really do wardrobe changes too much. They focus more on the live instrument, live performance. So that's what the group is all about. So that was RBD. Excuse me. Whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. Stay tuned as soon as possible. As always, you can do you besides you. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.